Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must own Hilda and update the client. Once done, check your currency balance. The skin costs 200 shards or $9.99. Next, open the shop and navigate to the Skins tab, not Cosmetics. Tap the Hilda listing, then select Mentor Skin Preview to confirm it's live for your region. Make sure Cloud Sync is enabled so purchases register to your account. If you meet each requirement, proceed immediately to claim or buy. You now execute the purchase. Choose shards or credit card, then tap Confirm. Once done, watch for bundle options. Some packages include emotes or one-day boosts. Decide quickly. After confirmation, the client processes payment. Wait for the progress bar to finish. Then open the in-game inbox or wardrobe. The Mentor skin appears under Owned Items. Make sure to equip it from the wardrobe screen. If equip fails, refresh the client and reopen the wardrobe to verify. You finish by equipping Mentor and testing in a training match to confirm animations and effects. Once done, synchronize your account to avoid lost purchases. If the skin is missing, restart the client and check server status pages. Sometimes propagation takes minutes. If problems persist, gather your transaction ID and time of purchase, then contact support through the in-game help. Provide screenshots and the ID. Support can restore purchases. This approach solves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.